but I know in the t
All right, this is lesson 13, group 7.
Hello. Have you seen Megamind? Always.
That movie too.
All right. So regarding lesson 13, what were some questions we had?
Oh yeah, I had a question about the p-value because when we're calculating the different, like the degrees of freedom and the t-test and all that, I didn't understand how you find the p-value from there because it doesn't really state p-value.
So do you know what the p-value is?
Kinda.
So the p-value,
Probability?
yes.
Aha. Nice.
That's it? No.
Props.
Yeah, that's literally what it means, just the probability value that it is going to land within the confidence interval.
When you go like this, it really helps me understand.
That's really why I did it.
Really brought everything together.
So yeah, and if the p-value is greater than the level of significance, that's when you know it's going to be within the confidence interval, which means you can't reject it. You failed to reject it. If it's lower, then you reject it.
Then you reject the crap out of it.
You reject
Drop it like it's hot.
Okay.
Yeah. Did that make sense?
So when you're trying to find because I saw they had some said two, or when you have a two-tailed, but some ask for some questions ask for one-tailed. Then what do you do? How do you find the one-tailed?
You divide by 2.
You divide the two-tailed by one, or in half.
No, that's wrong. Is that right?
Divide by 2.
That's right.
Two
That's
tails
So-
divided by 2, 1 tail.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you
So if
looking for
it's-
just one side of that? Is that what we're doing?
So what two-tailed means is like when they're looking at, like, if they want to know if, for example, the children,
The height
I don't
thing.
know, the height or whatever, like if they're wanting to find out that, all they care about is if it's greater than. They don't care if it's smaller than or whatever. Like that means it's one-tailed because it's only going one direction. But if they're just like, we wonder if it's actually not, if their height is just going to be different, that means it could be shorter or taller, and that's when it's going to be two-tailed. So if it's one-tailed, you divide the
two-tailed
p-value.
value, or
The p-value, if it's one-tailed, you divide the p-value by 2. And that's how you get that.
I get it now.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome. Does anyone have any more questions?
That
All
was a good
right.
question. Good one.
Group 7, lesson 13. Oh, yep.